Hey, hi. My name is Anant. I'm going to be doing a 2.5 minutes clip of hopefully what's called stand-up comedy. Sorry about the room. It kind of looks like where Saddam Hussein spent the last few days of his life. But other than that, everything else should probably go according to plan. So I hope you like it. And here goes nothing. The first one I'm going to be doing will be about the state of Indian television, which is not good, by the way. My folks are, extreme lovers of TV. So every time I go to Mysore, where my place is, they usually keep watching all kinds of drama, reality TV, and all such things. So basically, when I go, I'd stay there for about 1 or 2 days, so I don't want to mess up their entire routine of TV watching. So I usually shut my mouth, go sit next to them, and watch TV. So last time when I went, I was watching this thing where there is two characters, husband and wife. I think the wife's name is Padmini and the husband's name is Rahul or something. It kind of goes like this. So this Padmini character is a little shady, so backbiting and all the close-ups are on Padmini. This Rahul chap is kind of a decent bugger where he gets up in the morning, touches his parents' feet and all that shit. The thing is, when I was sitting and watching, I kind of got the entire story because this lady Padmini, because it was not very bright, because this lady Padmini will be trying to have a kid or something from a long time, but for some reason she's not able to get pregnant. So what happens is that the great Lord blesses her, tummy and puts the buns in the oven. So what happens is, now this lady is pregnant, and there are a lot of other shit going on in the background. Let's not bother about that. So cut to the scene where the lady is in labor and she gives birth to identical twins. Everything is going fine all this time, but the twist is revealed, saying out of the two identical twins, only one is Rahul's. So at that point of time, I just turn towards my mother and I see her, and she's like, so I'm thinking, at this time, I'm thinking, okay, she kind of realizes something is wrong. So she's probably go change the channel or abuse the shit out of the producers, the story writers, or something. And in turn, she looks at me and she goes, since the time that lady has met this guy, it's only been bad luck to that chap. I'm like, what? Did you just see the same exact channel that I was seeing? Were you there with me? So I couldn't believe that shit. And there's a nice saying which says, in India they don't throw the garbage, they make it into TV shows. So it kind of came true that night. One more thing I've noticed is these stupid ads